Hello everyone and welcome to another special edition of DC Cybersec, recording again from my car because I don't like doing it at work. So in this video I'm going to cover how to become a big data analyst.
Raise it up!
In this video, I'm going to cover what is a big data analyst, what value do they provide to organizations, which businesses need big data analysts, how they work with different key technologies that they use, certifications that you should get if you want to become a big data analyst, and of course the salaries. So getting straight into it, again, I'm reading this off a huge list on my iPad because I forget everything. So, what is a big data analyst? A big data analyst is an individual that reviews, analyzes, and reports on big data stored and maintained by an organization. Big data analysts have a similar job description and skill set to that of a standard data analyst, but they specialize in the analysis of big data sets. Big data analysts use manual techniques and automated big data analysis / analytics software to analyze large amounts of raw and unstructured data with the intent to find business insight or BI, intelligence, or any other useful information in it. Typically, a big data analyst is well versed in big data concepts, possesses knowledge and skills in using database querying languages and big data analytics software, and has a good understanding of data mining and extraction techniques. A big data analyst usually works with data scientists like Joma. I don't know, is he still a data scientist? I think so. Anyway, database developers, administrators, and a management team that steers the scope and objective of big data analysis. Big data analytics help organizations harness their data and use it to identify new opportunities. That in turn leads to smarter business moves, more efficient operations, higher profits, and hopefully happier customers. Big data analytics provide value in the following ways. Cost reduction. Big data technologies such as Hadoop and cloud-based analytics bring significant cost advantages when it comes to storing large amounts of data, or data, depends where you come from. Plus, they can identify more efficient ways of doing business. They also make it faster and better to make decision making. With things like with the speed, I guess, of Hadoop and in-memory analytics combined with the ability to analyze new sources of data, businesses are able to analyze information immediately and make decisions based on what they've learned. New products and services. With the ability to gauge customer needs and satisfaction through analytics comes the power to give customers what they want. With big data analytics, more companies are creating new products to meet customers' needs. A lot of AI is built on big data, and that's to essentially serve people. The good kind, anyway. Which businesses need big data analysts? Banks, hospitals, tech companies, large manufacturers, retailers, and of course, governments. Citizens are essentially numbers to a government, and they want to know as much as they can about them, and they do that with huge data sets. How it works and some key technologies. So there's machine learning. Machine learning is a specific set of AI that trains a machine how to learn, makes it possible to quickly and automatically produce models that can analyze bigger, more complex data and deliver faster, more accurate results, even on a very large scale. In fact, it works better on a large scale because you have more data to analyze. And by building precise models, an organization has a better chance of identifying profitable opportunities or avoiding unknown risks. Data management. Data needs to be high quality and well governed before it can be reliably analyzed. You've probably heard of data analysts saying, "Oh, it's bad data," or it's once they've scrubbed it clean, it's basically useless. Yeah, you need to have really good sets of data. With data constantly flowing in and out of an organization, it's important to establish repeatable processes to build and maintain standards for data quality. Once data is reliable, organizations should establish a master data management program that gets the entire enterprise on the same page. Data mining. Data mining technology helps you examine large amounts of data to discover patterns in the data, and this information can be used for further analysis to help answer complex business questions. With data mining software, you can sift through all the chaotic and repetitive noise in data, pinpoint what's relevant, use that information to assess likely outcomes, and then accelerate the pace of making informed decisions. Hadoop. I've mentioned it a couple of times already in this video. Hadoop, this open source software framework, can store large amounts of data and run applications on clusters of commodity hardware. It has become a key technology to doing business due to the constant increase of data volumes and varieties, and its distributed computing model processes big data fast. An additional benefit is that Hadoop's open source framework is free and uses commodity hardware to store large amounts of data. Beautiful. There's also things like in-memory analytics, predictive analytics, and text mining. So certifications and qualifications that you need to become a big data analyst. Computer science is the most common degree completed for people who work as a big data analyst, surprisingly maybe. In addition to this degree, you can also complete the following courses. An AWS Certified Big Data Specialist cert, a CCP or a Data Engineer, which is the Cloudera Certified Professional cert, a CCA Spark and Hadoop, which is the Cloudera Certified Associate, CCA Data Analyst, which is a Cloudera Certified Analyst, the CCA Administrator, which is a Cloudera Certified Administrator, and an MSCE Data Management and Analytics, which is Microsoft's Certified Solutions Expert Data Management and Analytics certification. There's also the SAS Big Data certification and the Oracle BI Foundation Suite 11G. Yes, 11G Essentials. They all range in price. The most expensive one, I think, is $13,000 US, which is pretty expensive for a course, but you get paid fairly well when you get out, so that's good. Which brings me on to the salaries. So the average salary for a big data analyst is between $90,000 and $130,000 US annually. Saying that, most people don't get into big data analytics straight away. They usually go into just normal data analytics first, and then lead on to that later. However, there are some geniuses out there who jump straight into it. So yeah, I hope that covers most of what you might want to know on how to become a big data analyst. If there's something I've missed, drop it in the comments below. Chuck a like on the video, and yeah, gonna do some more Hacker News stuff as well coming up soon. And yeah, I've got some new hardware coming in to make this recording a little bit better, and I'll probably stop recording it in my car at my lunch break at work. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.